Alright, Yon World, we back with another one. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We're going over a pre-sale opportunity happening on the Binance Smart Chain, Evil SHIBA. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Today on my channel, I want to bring to y'all a project that was brought to me by the development team. This is a promotional video for this project, Evil SHIBA. They're having a pre-sale tomorrow, February 5th. It's being open to the public with a hard cap of 1,000 BNB. If you want to be involved in this pre-sale, you will have to send BNB to the pre-sale address. Minimum buy is 0.01 BNB and the maximum buy is 5 BNB. Now this project, Evil SHIBA, is audited. The liquidity is locked into 2024. The ownership is renounced, so they can't change anything about the project once it's deployed, and it's 100% community owned. Also, the team tokens, the 1%, is locked for 6 months. One of the main use cases for Evil SHIBA is the NFT launch that's happening on February 15th. These NFTs for Evil SHIBA, I will paste them at the end of the video. But the devs of this project wanted me to point out that 5 different NFTs will have a paid vacation as part of the utility. So we gotta see how that all rolls out. Again, none of this is financial advice. I'm just bringing this to y'all attention. A pre-sale on the Binance Smart Chain. I know a lot of people ask me about different projects for Pancakeswap and on Binance Smart Chain. And this is an opportunity to be a part of a pre-sale so you can get in extremely early on this project. If we go back to the website, you can see the tokenomics. 2% goes to the dev wallet, 2% goes to liquidity, 4% goes to marketing. Again, you can buy this on Pancakeswap. They will have a pre-sale tomorrow, which you can send BNB directly to this address, which you'll be allocated a certain amount depending on how much you put in to the pre-sale. I have all the information about this project on the website. It is a total supply of 420 million. You can see the roadmap for this project, everything they got planned. They will release a play to earn game as well. They plan on getting listed on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. And it's looking like this project will be 100% community driven. So make sure y'all check out Evil SHIBA. I will have all of the information in the description about this project. Could potentially be a big project on the Binance Smart Chain for Pancakeswap for everybody that's looking for a project or a pre-sale to get into. I will have all of the information about this in the description. Make sure you turn on post notifications. Leave a like on this video. It's your boy Yon World. I'm out. Peace.